Hello, dear children. Hope you all are doing good. Again, I'm here with the chapter number 5 of Civics, Parliamentary Government, the Union Executive. Children, today I start my class with the explanation of debate on the real powers of the President. Children, the actual powers of the President have been debated many times in the past. India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and India's first President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, had differences of opinion on the real power of the President. As there was no provision in the Constitution that bound the President to always follow the advice of the Council of Ministers. To clear doubts about the President's position, the Constitution has been amended. Children, the 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976. Children, amendment means a minor change or revise. Okay? It's clearly explained the President's position. It said, there shall be a Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President, who shall, in the exercise of his functions, act in accordance with such advice. Accordingly, the President can have discretionary power in the matter only when the party system fails to throw up an obvious choice as the leader of the majority party. Hence, the President of India is the nominal head of state, means head of state in name only. Children, after the President, now we discuss about the Vice President. Children, do you know who is the current Vice President of India? So, the answer is Venkaiah Naidu is the current Vice President of India. Children, most of the times our teachers have to go out of the class. The class representative means the monitor looks after the class during this time. Comparing this, consider our country as the class, the teacher as our president, and the monitor as the vice president. Children, I hope you may understand. Children, similarly, considering the absence of a president in our country, the vice president will then look after the country. Children, vice president has certain responsibilities. As the vice president is the second highest important person in the country, he or she has certain powers and responsibilities. Number 1, he or she takes over the responsibilities during the absence of the President of India. Second, he or she is responsible for the protection of the rights and privileges of the members of the Council of States. Number 3, the Vice President acts as a President if the highest constitutional post is vacant due to any reason. Children, the 4th one is while acting as a President, okay, he or she has the same powers, immunities as that of the President. Number 5th, the President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Number 6th, it is the responsibility of the Vice President to decide whether a bill introduced in the Rajya Sabha is a financial bill or not. Children, ex officio means by virtue of his position. Automatically, he is considered the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Children, the Vice President also performs certain functions and duties. Children, the Vice President performs some important functions and duties. They are: number 1, as he is the chairman of the Council of States, he may cast his vote when there is a tie. Number 2, he represents the Council of States on ceremonial occasions. Number 3, he protects the rights and privileges of the members of the Council of States. Children, number 4, if the President is not able to perform his function due to absence or illness, in this case, Vice President shall perform those functions until the President resumes his duty. Children, after that we will see the time period of the Vice President. Children, listen very carefully. The Vice President normally holds office for a term of 5 years. Then he can resign by writing a letter of resignation to the President. And children, he can be removed from office by impeachment. Children, some of the important points you should have to be remember. These are: Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India. And children, Muhammad Hamid Ansari was Vice President for the longest time in the history of India. Children, in my next video, I will explain about the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. So children, take care of yourself and wait for my next video.